Assalamu alaikum everyone. So ICP keeps on impressing, and I've told you so many times that I am biased towards the upside. I'm biased up until $15 for ICP. So finally, all right, we had the break that I've been talking about, that we need a break for ICP and we must be looking at the break. Now there is a little bit of confusion if this break actually has happened or we are getting trapped like this. To be very safe, honestly, I'm going to actually consider the wicks and I'm going to put it like this. All right, we still have not broken. There's a little bit of range trap. This is known as range trap basically, because your trend line really matters. If you get your trend line right, you get to understand where you are basically. If your trend line is bad, you are going to lose the trade and you're going to think that TA doesn't really work. But I think this trend line, we are going to count the wicks, because again, it's the touches that really matters, and all you have is one wick here and you got rejected at every single wick. You got another wick here, you got rejected there, you got another wick here, you got rejected, and this is another wick. Now you see, range trap is something where sometimes you think it's like this and then you think it's like this, but the thing is that it can also be something like this. You always have to recheck your trend lines all the time, even though it feels like, yeah, the broke actually happened and it's time to move up. There's a lot of resistances still that has to be broken. Even this one right over here, okay, you still have to break above 10.4, but I personally believe if you start to get above 10.3, 10.4 and retest this broken trend line at 9.6 or something like that, up to 9.5, then that's pretty much number one, moving up to 11.5, and you also continue to keep on moving even higher and higher. So just to be on the safe side, I'm just going to say that this is one more trend line that we still need to break above, and then that's pretty much. I don't think there's any other trap we may have in the future, but we still have to double check, just as we double check today as well. So do keep that in mind. And yeah, 3 more days to close private for January 2024. I do hope the next year you'll be on my private as well. And yeah, see you for the next 18-17 months of a good crypto, or maybe a whole good crypto of ICP in 2024 as well. And that's it for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.